if you see, in the parable, the Pharisee took and the tax collector, both of them come to pray, and Pharisee takes his place. But if you see the tax collector, he stands far off. The Pharisee prays of himself, and the tax collector doesn't even have the guts to raise his head. The Pharisee starts praising about him, but the tax collector, in humility, accepts his weaknesses and limitations. As I was preparing for this reflection, I came across a nice reflection by a priest, and he says, although it's not mentioned in the gospel, he says both the Pharisee and the tax collector, when they went to pray, they took a mirror with them, and both of them used the mirror while praying, and both of them, like there's a contrast between both of theirs. When the Pharisee prayed, he saw in the mirror, he saw only his achievements. He only saw what was what he had done good and all, and he was boasting about himself. And on the other hand, when the tax collector, he saw in the mirror, he saw all the times when he had cheated others, or times when he had been working, he realized that he had been working against his own people, because the tax collectors in the Jewish times were the ones who were working for the Romans, not for the Jews. And that's why they were despised, one of the despised people. So he realized that all what he had done, and he was asking for mercy. My dear friends, our prayer also is like a mirror. If we have pride and self-conceit within us, then we'll only see only our achievements and only our this. So much so that, we make ourselves, we replace God with ourselves. Okay, we even push God away aside, and we replace ourselves with God and say we are the source of all those good works. But if we come with humility and with a kind of like that attitude which the tax collector had, we accept the limitations in our lives. And so, my dear friends, as we are reflecting, let us ask this question: what is my disposition when I pray? Is it only that I ask God and I want, I ask God with pride and all, no? Okay, that is there in my heart. Or just like the tax collector, do we realize that, okay, I have done mistake, and then I have come to God?